You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Your dirty jobs just got done with the SPX9007-PRO commercial-grade electric pressure washer from Sunjo. Featuring rugged pro-quality equipment designed for commercial use at the worksite, restaurant, retail store, repair shop, and more, Sunjo Pro Series washers power through your toughest cleaning tasks and home improvement projects with ease. Made for those who expect the most out of their machines, every Pro Series pressure washer comes with the most requested Pro Power Plus performance upgrades and features for your most demanding jobs, like sturdy steel construction, a durable 25-foot steel reinforced high-pressure hose, and 35-foot power cord. Whether you're a contractor, business owner, or just a homeowner who appreciates the value of commercial-grade gear, Sunjo Pro Series pressure washers will perform for you with top-of-the-line, pro-quality features including solid brass fittings, a manually adjustable pressure regulator valve, and a quieter, more powerful long-life induction motor. Designed to last longer than residential and DIY machines with a lifespan of up to 500 hours, SPX9007-PRO takes on the heavy-duty tasks that other pressure washers just can't handle. The powerful 13.5 amp motor blasts up to 1,800 pounds per square inch of pressure and pumps up to 1.6 gallons per minute to take on tough grease and oil stains, mildew, caked on mud, tar, rust, and other stubborn dirt and deposits. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Dial in the perfect pressure for a custom clean with the adjustable pressure valve. Select a lower setting for a quick cleanup, or crank it up to demolish oil stains, dissolve grease deposits, or remove grime from grout. And with the 5 quick connect spray tips, you can customize the spray to suit any task. Choose from 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap to tackle heavy-duty dirt and debris. Insert the included detergent hose into the tank of your choice to lather up and break down caked-on grease and grime. And every Sunjo Pro Series pressure washer comes backed by Sunjo's complete 2-year warranty for the continuous, reliable performance that you've come to expect from America's top-selling eco-friendly pressure washers. So when there's dirty work to be done, go pro and go with Joe. The SPX9007-PRO commercial-grade electric pressure washer from Sunjo. Get equipped.